Yo, what's up? We are so close. We have just two steps for MVP. In this video, I'm gonna make the single page for the project, means the review request. And in the next video, we wanna talk about deployment. And we will set up CI/CD and deployer, and we will configure empty Linux server for our application. So don't waste time. If you enjoyed this video and the project, press like and share it with other to expand the network. Uh, okay, let's do this. For now, we have this create. We have this create and on submit. We must do something in here. First things is we should to show detail of the project here. Second, if we create a request, we create a review request. On submit and on single page, we must do have any bar or any message that your post has successfully added to our system, and in future we must do add some policies, accept requests, then show them on the website. But for now, it's enough. So let's make it. For first things, in project controller, I need to return a view like this. And we have project, project. Okay. We have a view like this, and it should be called show view. Let's create it. Copy the create view and name it show. Okay, it's fine. So we have now this. We must do refactor this, remove, and show the title and description and link of the project. Made some things in here also. Let's check the projects. We have things here. We should to fix these avatars and fetch it from the GitHub. I will do this in another video. But for now, we must to fix the URL of these videos in index.blade. We must do in the xcard project card. We must to add the ahref to article. It has. Okay, we just need to call routes to project dot show with dollar project ID. We must change it to slug. It's better for SEO and optimization things. Okay, it's good. So now we can move from one card to the detail. I will make the UI here and I will come back. Okay, I found the. Is it recording? Okay, okay. I found the boot block in tailblock.cc. I want to start it. It's a good project also. You can check this ready to use Tailwind things here. I'm not good at writing CSS and Tailwind. It's awesome. Thank you. Okay, I made this, but I changed this. It has a big banner here. We don't need banner. We need title, description of the project, and description of user, and a user about me. I think it's enough. So let's fill this out. Okay, for title, we need project title. It's a test code review. This is about body. Dollar project body. Okay. For learn more, it's better to refactor it to attractive button here. Okay, I think this button is better. Let's review the code, and in href we need to project URL. It's kind of good. Just we need the things. For this, we need a user profile picture. For this section, we need user profile picture from GitHub, username, and description of the user. In future, we can change it to our profile service or not. I don't have an idea for this. But for now, it's enough, I think. I will comment this, and for this, I will use the project GitHub profile. It's enough. Also make this linkable and href to our project GitHub URL. Let's make this GitHub URL in project model, something like this. We can use get attribute here to make it something like this. If I'm not sure how to write this, but I think it's attributes GitHub URL return empty is it works https or make a printf about https github.com/s over this GitHub profile. No, it doesn't work. Why? Oh, it's something like this: get full name attributes. We must do get GitHub URL attributes, and now it's working. Awesome. It's good. We should have played. We must do targeted That's blank. Open a new tab. Okay, it's awesome. Let's do deploy in next video. So see you soon. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and share this content and websites. Goodbye.